Nothing about this case has moved quickly. The prosecutors took 4.5 hours for opening statements, and it was the only thing the jury heard today. The defense will get a crack at it in the morning, but this case may well come down to who does the jury believe.
George says to Jake, the family has spoken. There is nothing that happens in that household that is not a group decision.
Prosecutors contend the Wagner family acted like a crime syndicate. They planned and pulled off 8 murders in the dark of night and got away with it for a time.
It's hard to imagine that 8 people would lose their lives over such a flimsy motive, but it's true.
Jurors heard from George Wagner's mom, Angela, and his brother, Jake, that they felt they had to kill the rodents to protect kids from imagined abuse.
I'm not here to say that Jake Wagner is a hero by any stretch of the imagination. He is a despicable, vile human being. But the difference between him and his brother is that he at least came forward.
Special Prosecutor Angela Canepa says Jake's confession closed some gaps.
He certainly wasn't telling us what we wanted to hear. We did not know half the stuff he told us, right? We were wrong about the order the victims were killed in. We had no idea about this drug deal ruse.
That was the plan, Jake says, to get Chris and Gary Roden where they could kill them. All of it over custody of Jake's daughter with Hannah Mae Roden. When George took the stand, though,
I would have never let it happen.
He said he knew nothing about the plan, but prosecutors say these are his shoe prints from 2 crime scenes.
He went up there to Union Hill Road on April 21st of 2016, knowing full well what was going to happen.
Using George's own words from that recorded call years ago, prosecutors told the jurors he lied to them.
I would say the family has spoken. Jake and Angela have told you everything that this defendant did that night.
Wagner's defense team gets to make their closing arguments in the morning, and then prosecutors get a rebuttal. Then we'll get jury instructions. That alone could take an hour or more. We expect the jury will start deliberating either late tomorrow or possibly not until Wednesday in this case. In Waverly, I'm Evan Millward, WCPO 9 News.